So I'm here with my friend Sherzod.
Yes.
We are in Samarkand, Uzbekistan, yeah. And we're gonna try one of the best breads in the world. How do you call it, non?
This one which we are going now, it's a Chap Chu.
Chap Chu.
It's a special bread.
Yeah.
Mostly they do in Samarkand. So it's called Chap Chu. So we're going to the place where they cook.
Yeah.
In tandoor.
Chap Chu.
Chap Chu.
Chap Chu.
Yes.
Chap Chu.
Yes.
What's so special about it?
It's really light and really soft.
Yeah.
Comparing to other breads. It's really tasty when you try on the spot, like when it's hot, you know.
Yeah.
And then later it's stretchy and not so tasty.
Yeah.
So usually we eat in the morning.
In the morning time.
Morning time, yeah. There's a kind of cream called Kaymak. It's a sour cream. So with this one.
So combining them together, it's a perfect combination.
Yes.
So it's the one where they put their head in the...
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Is it safe?
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I mean, for them it's safe.
But for us?
No, for us. Of course.
Don't try.
So this area is a really local atmosphere.
Yeah.
If you go, it's a kind of labyrinth, you know. So here.
Here, okay. Oh, I can smell it from here.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful smell of flour, you know. Strong smell of bread.
Yes. So I will tell them to you.
Oh, okay. Okay. Very excited to try it out. Look at the amount of flour here, guys. So here is the bread factory in which they make hundreds of bread every day. They shape the dough into a circle. The technique seems simple, but watch this. That's dangerous. That's next level. Warm here.
Yeah. Imagine July.
July.
When it's up to 50 and they're inside.
How many breads they make a day?
Различна примерно чанта много не са 1000.
1000. Wow.
1000. Yeah.
And how much is the price for one?
Як ти shampoo? 5000.
5000. So it's around 5 million a day, I think.
Yeah.
5 million som a day. What language is he speaking? Russian or Uzbek?
No, Tajik.
Tajik.
The old town were all Tajik.
Tajikistan.
No, look, our ancestors are from Iran.
Iran, yeah.
Yeah, we're not from Tajikistan. But our language is really mixed with Uzbek and Russian. Yeah, where we don't speak pure.
And the Islam here is Shia or Sunnah?
Sunnah.
Sunnah,
yeah.
But Iran is Shia.
Shia, Iran is Shia. Iran is Shia.
Persia, yeah. Shia. And your ancestors were Shia or Sunnah? The Persian.
Sunnah.
Sunnah also.
Sunnah.
Oh.
But you see the language, the architecture, everything is from Iran.
From Iran.
Yeah.
Also the register is Iran.
Yeah,
Wow.
those calligraphy, those Persian calligraphy. In
It's really crazy that they put their head inside here. I mean, I'm just nearby and I feel like burning, you know. And the guy has to go inside here and put his hand there until the corner and put all these breads. I mean, my hand is just here and it feels so burning. And not only his hand, he put his head too. And it's very warm inside here. And that's bread. They leave for some few minutes and then we're gonna taste this after.
200 degree.
200
heat.
degrees.
Yeah.
But how he managed to put his head inside there?
Like you
Because
just put it and take out really fast.
very fast, yeah.
Of course, it's get used already.
You get used.
Yeah.
And that's the final result of the bread. It's really huge. Yeah.
But so puffy inside, not full, you know.
It's fluffy.
Yes.
One. It's so huge and it's crunchy from the sides, as you see. But inside it's so fluffy and it's easy to cut. Look at this.
Perfect. Imagine with the cream.
Whoa.
You can eat with anything like jam, cheese also.
Do you have any cheeses you are famous by here? And
to be honest, we are not famous with the cheese. All the cheese which we have is from Russia. We don't produce cheese.
what do you produce? Honey?
There is a milky cream called Kaymak.
Kaymak.
You can get in bazaar and
Yeah.
try with this bread. Oh, it's Kaymak.
So now I'm gonna check this bread and we're gonna try it with the local cream that they call Kaymak. So here we have the famous Resistance Square, and on the other side we got the bazaar. So we're gonna search for some place in which they sell milk and dairy products to try the Kaymak, the local cream. Found on my way that they make some interesting cream here. Let's see what it's about. What is this?
Sumalak.
Sumalak? It's almonds.
Русский знаешь?
No,
Мука.
English.
English не знаю. No, Anna. Мука.
Мука.
Вот это
With the
мука.
bread.
А.
Okay. It's like some dates cream. The dates, you know.
Sumalak.
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 Yeah. It tastes like dates cream, but I'm not sure if it's dates, guys, you know. The same color, closest similar taste. We have a problem with communication here as they don't speak any English, you know. But the taste here is like dates. It's really delicious. This was just a stop. We're gonna continue all the way in the bazaar now to find the Kaymak. Oh, for the spoon. Oh, okay. That's okay. Thank you. That's okay. Thank you. Okay. Wow. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Mishalo.
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 Oh, I'm not sure what it means. So we're gonna have a bite again.
Очень вкусно. Сахар.
Yeah, it's sweet. I was thinking it's cheese, but this thing here it's so sugary and sweet. So I think it's some sugar. I'm not sure what kind of sugar it is. Tastes good too. Kaymak here, no?
You're from
Morocco.
Morocco.
Botito.
What is this?
Sweet botito.
Burrito.
Botito.
Botito. Potato.
Sweet.
Ah, sweet potato with bread.
Моя.
Local sweet potato. They're gonna make me taste everything here. At least it's the first time I know what to eat. Very nice. Thank you. How much?
No.
No. No, okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye. We got some refreshing sweet potato, and this market here is full of local street food, pastries. We got the same bread here, the one that I have in my hand now, but this one is more fresh, as we got it straight from the oven. Hello. You have Kaymak?
Kaymak?
Yeah.
Yes.
Uzbek Kaymak. Uzbek.
Uzbek, да.
Один?
One.
Ja.
How much?
Ничего ты накаша?
Oh, 12,000. Okay. That's like almost $1, guys. Thank you. Let's try it out. A refreshing drink from Uzbekistan. Thank you. Thank you. So this is the moment of truth. Let's see the Uzbek bread with Kaymak recommended by my friend Sherzod tastes like. You know, the softness of the bread with the buttercream that they call here Kaymak. I mean, he was not talking shit. This food is really next level, and it's a nice breakfast to go around Uzbekistan, especially the city of Samarkand with some good energy.